Hello friends, welcome to our channel Zero Negativity. Today in this video, we will see remaining HDFC Securities recommended stocks for Deepavali pick part 2. The first stock is Eric's Life Science. The broking house positive on Eric's given it focus on the domestic market, robust operating and net margin profile and strong return ratio and net cash balance sheet. It is a pure domestic play with little regulatory or currency risk. Also, it's dependable on Chinese API KSM is very limited. Market capital of this company is 10,876 crore. Now currently trading around 800 rupees. Recommended by on Eric's Life Science at last trading price and add further on dips at 725 rupees for target of rupees 966. The broking house expected 20% return in upcoming days. The next stock is Indian Bank. Market capital of Indian Bank is 21,571 crore. Broking firm expect healthy recoveries and upgrades in next 2 years. Asset quality trend of corporate and MSME would be the crucial monitorable. Most of the concerns arising out of pending write-off out of restricted and SMA accounts are already in the price. We have assumed high recoveries and lower slippage going forward. Investors can buy Indian Bank at last traded price and add more at rupees 152.5 for the target price of 213 till next Diwali. Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Service. Market capital of this firm is 24,283 crore. Broking firm is betting on the revival in the rural economy in the next 2 quarters, and when that happens, MMFS will be one of the key beneficiary. Positive news flow could follow performance in the stock price. Investor can buy the stock at last trading price and add more at rupees 167 for the price target of 222 till next Diwali. The next stock is Getty. We expect the company to gain from its long-standing experience in the logistics sector. Second, Allcargo as its new promoter. Third, diversification of customer base. Fourth one, restricting measures and revenue offering from different segments. Allcargo's focus on the restricting the business will improve return ratio and financial and transform the business to an asset light model. Now the stock trading around 140 to 145 rupees. The brokerage firm expected huge return in till next Diwali. Network 18 Media. Network 18 consolidated free cash flow turned positive for the first time in the last 4 years, driven by the increase in profitability and favorable working capital changes, leading to the decrease in debit. Expect the company to further pare down its debt levels in the coming years, which would be aid in profitability improvement. Investors can buy the stock at last trading price and add on dips to rupees 68 for the target of 106 rupees. Market capital of Network 18 is 987 crore. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly support, subscribe, like, share. Wish you very happy Diwali, friends. See you in next video.